Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Valentine's Day inspired look. I didn't quite know what I wanted to do with this look, but I know I wanted it to be really warm and really smoky. So this actually is the look I came up with. And if you guys want to learn how to get this look, then just keep watching.
Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone.
Alright guys, so I'm going to start this video with you guys zoomed in, and I already have my eyes primed and I already have my foundation and everything on. I'm going to leave exactly what I used in the description bar down below, and I'm just going to get right on into my eyes. So the palette I'm going to be using for my eye look is the Huda Beauty palette. It's the first one that she came out with, the rose gold one. And I'm going to take a transition shade. Let's see. I think I'm going to take the shade Sandalwood, and I'm just going to run that through my crease. Next, I'm going to take from the same palette the shade Henna, this burnt orange terracotta shade, and I'm just going to put that in my outer corner and run it through my crease again. After that is all blended out, I'm going to take the shade Cocoa from the same palette. It's just a warm, rich brown color. And I'm just going to put that in my crease in the outer corner again. And for the last shade I'm going to put in my crease in my outer corner, I'm going to take the shades Black Truffle, and I'm going to take the shade Bossy up here. Black Truffle is just a black, and then Bossy is like a blueberry cranberry shade, very warm, and I'm just going to add those onto my eye. Now for my lid shade, I'm going to be taking, I actually think I'm going to take Rose Gold. As you could see, I'm kind of doing this as it goes and like seeing what I feel for the look. So I'm just going to take Rose Gold, I think, and I'm going to put it all over my lid. There we go. That shade right there. First, I'm going to apply it with my finger, and then I'm going to clean it up a little bit with a brush because Huda Beauty eyeshadows do apply best with the finger. It is a little bit flaky and chunky, so I'm not like the biggest fan of it, but I think I'm just going to try and make it work with the shade Angelic. Taking Angelic and putting it in my inner corner and then patting it over the foiled shadow. I'm just going to be taking the same matte shades that I put into the crease, and I'm going to put them all on my lower lash line. Now taking my Maybelline black eyeliner, I'm just going to do a thin line on my upper lash line because I don't want to take away from the whole eye look. So I'm just going to go do that now. So now that I have my eyeliner on, I'm going to take my favorite Kiss eyelash curler and I'm just going to curl my lashes. And I'm going to take my Maybelline Great Lash Lots of Lashes mascara and I'm just going to apply it to my upper and lower lashes. Now I'm going to go onto the face. So for my blush, I think I'm going to go with my Makeup Revolution palette. It is the Golden Sugar 2 Rose Gold palette, and I'm going to take the beautiful shimmery rose blush and I'm just going to apply it to my cheeks. And I thought I'd break into my Kat Von D holographic highlighting palette. And I think I'm going to take the pink opal one. And I'm just going to apply it to my cheekbones. As you can see. I think it goes really well with this Valentine's Day inspired look. And last but not least, we're going to go on to lips, and I'm going to take my Janta Blue lip liner pencil in the color Spice. And after I lined them and filled them in a little bit with this, I'm just going to take my MAC Luster Glass in the shade Morning Glory, and I'm just going to apply that over to the top. Alright guys, so this concludes my Valentine's Day inspired look. I wanted to do an eye look that was very warm, bronzy, smoky, so I really like how this came out. I love the lip with this. I didn't want to do anything red or something too classic. I kind of wanted to shake it up a little bit, but I really like it. I love the glow to the cheeks, and there's no false lashes. It's not like too crazy in your face. It's just enough, you know? So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and leave me a comment what you guys want me to do for next time. And I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Yeah, all I need